Moving ahead with another topic, that is some more divisibility rules. The first rule is, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factor of that number. What does this rule mean? Suppose you are dividing one number with another number. If you are taking the number that is 36 and dividing this with 4. If 36 is divisible with 4, then this 36 will also be divisible with all the factors of 4. Is it clear? Suppose this 36, when you are dividing with 4, you are getting 9. It is divisible now. It is divisible. Therefore, what all are the factors of 4? 1 and 2. Then 36 will also be divisible with 1 and 2. Clear? Suppose you are taking a number that is 40. Okay. Now you are dividing this 40 with 8. Is this 40 divisible with 8? Yes, 40 is divisible with 8, right? 5 times. So if this 40 is divisible with 8, then this 40 will also be divisible with all the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 2, 4. Both are the factors of 8. Na? You can divide and see this 40 with 2 also. You can divide and see 40 with 4 also. Both the numbers, it will be divisible. Am I clear with this point? This rule says that any number, if it is completely divisible with another number, then that number will be also divisible with all of its factors. Clear, na? One more example I'll give you. If you take a number that is 24 and divide it with 6. Is this 24 divisible with 6? Yes, it is divisible. Now, this is divisible. Now, this 24, if it is divisible with 6, then all the factors of 6, this 24 will be divisible with. What are the factors of 6? 3 is the factor, right? So, this 24 will be divisible with 3 also. Is it divisible with 3? Yes, it is divisible 8 times. Clear this point? So this point is, any number when divisible with other number, completely divisible, that time it will also be divisible with all of its factors. Whatever will be the factor of that particular number, the number will be divisible. I'll give you a few examples. First one, 36 divided with 4. It is divisible. Whatever will be the factors of 4, that is 1 and 2, 36 will also be divisible with 1 and 2. Another example you can take, 40 dividing with 5. Is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. But 5 do not has any factor. So leave it as it is. Another number you can take, 24 dividing with 6. So it is divisible. Now, so whatever be the factor of 6, that is 3. 24 will be divisible with 3 also. This is your first rule.